We're back at Murphy's Towing Ash Fork location. We got this stack that we're gonna throw on there. We got our bumper right here that we're gonna put on there. We got those all fabbed up and ready to go on. I don't know if there's gonna be enough time, you know. But anyway, we're gonna start doing some work to it. So Treg's over there mocking up that stack. It's gonna look real nice, let me tell you. See that marker? Slingshot engaged. Any more? So you get the stack on there now, and we got new exhaust pipe for it. We're gonna run new exhaust all the way up to the stack right here. We're gonna tack it up inside the frame, keep it out of harm's way, you know. When we're done with this, it's gonna be a Toyota Tacoma. Fixed up there.
Alright, what are we doing?
Going to cut exhaust pipe off of the old service truck to put it on HELLBOY.
Hopefully we can get back in here tomorrow. Generally we get busy and we don't get to work on it for 6 months. Finish the stack, finish our back bumper, and maybe start on our spades, but we'll have to see. So you stay tuned, because we'll be back tomorrow. So we're back at Murphy's Towing Ash Fork location. Just wrapping up a little day 2 on HELLBOY. We got a late start. It's like 5 o'clock and we quit at 6, so no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so we're gonna wrap up this exhaust and hopefully get our bumpers on. What do you say, Treg? Huh? What do you say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116,
do is send it out to paint, then she'll be ready to go. So. We just about got her licked for today. We got the stack on. We sent it out to paint. Those boys painted her up real nice for us. Did a real professional job. Got our bumpers on in the back. We're gonna tie the bed into the bumpers right now with some 1/8 inch, and Treg's fixing to do that. What do you say, Treg? Every time. It's good stuff. So you say something like, "Yeah, it's coming together real nice, you know." Yeah, we got this going on here. Got we're grabbing a little 1/8 inch over there, throwing it over here. Gonna do this, and these welds came out real nice. Do the mustache thing. Show Pop. Hey, you gotta do.
Yeah, my table.
Did you see him jump in the water? You didn't watch that one? I haven't. Time will tell, whether it's going to hold up or not. Once we get the structure in place and holes drilled through it, bam. You know what I'm saying? This guy knows what I'm talking about, huh?
This guy knows what I'm talking about. Oh, that's a new one. Just.
Yeah, I need to buy this. I've never even heard of a line lock. We're gonna find out what a line lock is real quick right now. So Michael's new car. Michael just got this yesterday. It's got like 500 miles on it, I think. He's been driving like an asshole. That's what he does though. You just gotta take him for what he is. Sometime today. Hey, don't mess around either. Like, give it some onion. Put some onion on it. Look at him. He's all getting in the right position. He's all pumping himself up. He's all bracing himself.
Line lock works.
Now we know what line lock is, huh? Your tires weren't spinning, that was your clutch.
No, that was my tires.
A long hard day of working on Hellboy. So we don't do a lot on Hellboy. We have to do it in stages because we get a lot of off-road recoveries, and this is the only truck we do off-road recoveries in. So we work on Hellboy and, you know, in waves. We had a little time to work on Hellboy and got the bumpers on it and got a bunch of weight off of it. Cut a bunch of weight, a bunch of communist weight. Got a nice little stack. Got the exhaust. The exhaust was back here coming out by the wheel, and we kept crushing it on stuff and backing into stuff, so we dumped the exhaust out up there. Pretty good time. Pretty nice little Tuesday. You stay classy. Scared me. You're a regular old Magic Johnson, huh? You stay classy. You stay classy, Treg.